All right, so today here in Salem is the Food Truck Festival. Well, it was yesterday and today, but yesterday we went to King Richard's Fair. Videos coming up on that soon. But me and the Pooks, we're gonna walk to downtown Salem and see what the festivities are going on. But the Food Truck Festival just started a little bit ago today, and I don't know. What are you in the mood for? Lobster?
If they have any.
They do have lobster. So
Let's
they have lobster quesadillas and all kinds of other stuff. I might go a little bit more basic, depending. I kind of overdid it yesterday at the King Richard's Fair, so we'll see. But anyway, walking down to downtown Salem. All right, made it downtown. Now we're making our way over to the Salem Common. Alright everybody, welcome to Septober here in Salem. Salem Commons for the Food Truck Fair. Alright, here's the lobster. This one happens to be right across the street from the Salem Witch Museum. Alright, so what we usually do is we'll walk the whole place first to see what they have and like bookmark all the spots that we want. So, you wanna do that? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Alright, berry sweets, fresh strawberries dipped in premium chocolates. That looks pretty good. Yeah, we'll put that on the bookmark, Mia. I'm sure you're gonna wanna come back for that. What we got over here? Sabrosa, Venezuela, handmade for you. What do they got here? Oh, they got arepas. Oh man, I might be coming back here. I might be coming back right here. Mac and cheese, please. They got a mac and cheese place right over here. Seems to be a good line for this one. Churros. There goes Mia's sweet tooth.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Hey, we got poppies, stuffed sopapillas. These look good. Stuffed by Poppy. This looks good right here. So we're gonna check out all the food spots before we go inside to the tents. Ah, pierogi. Jaju pierogi. So all of this that you see here is the Salem Commons. So they seem to do a lot of festivals, all kinds of haunted happenings things here. If you're interested in go for a run here, about 2.5 laps is about a mile. Ah, Atomic Coffee Roasters, I know them. They're in Beverly. Really good coffee, yeah. Ooh, tender and curry on wheels. Ooh, this might be my spot to go to. I'm definitely in the mood for some Indian cuisine. Oh, Cookie Masa. Great spot. Ice cream and cookie sandwiches. Delish. We got some wood-fired pizza over here. I love pizza.
There's another lobster thing.
Ambulatory services. just in case.
Is that a snake?
Over here we got Cousin's Maine Lobster. Being New England, that seems to be like a staple food around here is lobster. What's this? East of the border. Looks like some Hispanic food of some sort. Yep. Frisky fries. For all you want to get frisky after. What do we got here? Clyde's Cupcakes, huh? There you go, Mia, your sweet tooth. Binge Barbecue. They cater.
Alright, so we're
Charlie dogs. Obviously hot dogs. Oh, here we go with the Lobster Love. Lobster Love. I think these guys were on TV recently. Yeah, this is the one with the Portuguese lobster chowder, lobster roll, lobster quesadilla, lobster mac and cheese, lobster tacos. These guys were definitely on TV recently. Here we go, wicked tasty. Sweet Bubble, so this is boba teas, I'm guessing. Got a clam shack. Because you know here in New England we love some clam. Everybody loves clam. From Blownutt. Oh, Blowunt. Or Blount. Ah, Cheese Louise, I heard about this place. See these guys in Boston all the time at PAX East. Chicken and the pig. Big pig. Chicken and the pig. We'll make our way to the tents after. Pie Son's Pizza. Ooh, smells good. Look at that. Look at that oven right there. That looks good. Little Ipo. Chinese and Malaysian. What's this one? Uncle Joey's cannolis. Betcha they're good. I wish I had a huge appetite. I just don't eat much. Italian street food. They cater. Bird's Nest. Italian street food. Cool. Ah, the sausage guy from downtown Fenway. He's here. A staple of Fenway Park. Alright, making our way down to the other side. Here's something interesting for all of you Hocus Pocus movie lovers. That's the school in the beginning of the movie where everybody comes running out of. Right here in the Salem Common. So if you watch Hocus Pocus and they come running out of the school, that's where they come rocking out of. And if you see both of them walking, Allison and them, they go by a playground. That's the playground area right over there. It's been updated, but this is where they walked. Woodman's. Another must-see space coming here to New England, to Massachusetts especially. What we got here? The Gonzalez Food Truck. Ooh, Egg Roll Cafe. For those of you egg roll enthusiasts. Over here we got the Traveling Bones. So this looks like some barbecue here. Slow cooked ribs, brisket, pulled pork, barbecue chicken, baby. We got Sugar Cane Hut, so I'm guessing lemonade, drinks, yeah, limeade, all that kind of stuff here. And like I said, we'll see all this in a little bit. Crepes. Ooh, I love crepes. Mia, you might want this, Mia, for crepes with strawberries on them and stuff. No. No? Nutella?
All I want is a drink.
Fried dough. Mia and I love fried dough, but she had too much of this yesterday at King Richard's Fair, so I'm not getting it. Ooh, what's this? Bees and thank you. Grilled cheeses. Ooh, delish with honey. That looks really good. Really, really good. Traveling Pizza, another pizza spot with the oven right up in there. That looks good. The Whoopie Wagon, where if you go into the back, there's some whoopie happening. I'm joking. Whoopie wagons, whoopie pies. Delish. Potato. So I'm guessing the potato skins, garlic palm potatoes, honey and bacon potatoes, all kinds of good stuff.
I was like, you don't see this, man. There's a high.
What do we got over here? The Perky Turkey. Oh God, yes. Yes. Nothing's better than chicken porn anime. So the Perky Turkey. That looks good, but I had turkey yesterday at the King Richard's Fair, so not happening. 2 more spots. We got Rocco's Donut Company for your gourmet donuts. And then last but not least, been here forever, it's gonna be Rich's. They got all kinds of stuff they make. All right, so Mia, what did you decide? The crepes?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna do the crepes for her. I'm gonna find something else, but we're gonna get that and get some food on. All right, so Mia got the bananas, Nutella, whipped cream on a crepe. What do you think, baby girl? Excited? I got the chicken, pesto, and spiciness on the crepe. Oh my God, I absolutely destroyed that crepe. Gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Mia's still eating hers. All right, just finished our crepes, stuffed.
I didn't expect the crepes to be that big.
I know, there were some big crepes. Anyway, we're gonna look at some tents here. Ooh, beef jerky, exotic beef jerkies. The Batty Crafter. We got Sophie's apples over here, some delicious looking apples that they got. Those look good.
You can't have too much sweet, Dad.
Yeah, can't have too many sweets.
The doctor said that.
Doggy photos. Caricatures. Wow, David Bowie over there with Freddie Mercury. Mulligan. Some hats here. Looks like they specialize in scally caps. Evil Eye.
My mom believes in that.
Really?
Yeah, she believes in evil. Dream catchers.
Mia's all excited about seeing the dream catchers over here.
Or next year.
The nefarious strumpet. This is cool. Wizard Caravan. Bunch of little shops here. What are those things? Check these things out. Those are so cool.
The one where you can worth a different stuff. Worth a different stuff. Yeah.
I gotta get a 3D printer. I really do. I got so many ideas that I would love to have made. That's the booze tent.
Oh god, no, this one. Get the cross ready.
Keepsake.
Get the cross ready for those things.
Oh, what, the Labubus?
Get the cross.
Hi. Doing good?
Oh,
Alcohol infused cigars. Awesome.
can't have them.
I can't have it, but that's awesome. How you doing?
Should we go slow?
Yeah.
Oh, just can't. You know what I mean?
Still got illustrations. Skeleton likes the high fives. Those are cool, huh? The Hippie Bean Company. that's it for the Food Truck Festival. I almost got hit by a car. So, yeah, that's it for the Food Truck Festival. Me and Mia are gonna head over to Pickering Wharf next and go visit one of my buddies working. Anyway, later.